Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you how to make a logo in Canva. Right now, as you can see, we have just selected an image template which is right now blank and of 1000 by 1000 pixel size in Canva. Now what we are going to do is we are going to click on text, add a heading, type AV. Sir, what does AV means? AV stands for Avinash, right? And here we are just going to change the font style to this one. Okay, sir, I got that. Thank you, my dear friend, if you have got that. Okay, let's place it over here. Now you can change the color to whatever color you like. Okay, let me select this one. Now we are going to duplicate this and change the color to this one. Okay, and now we are going to click on share, download the first page with transparent background. I have downloaded. Now here we are just going to elements and search for curve. Okay, we are into graphics and here you will find some good curves, right? Let's search for a good curve. Let's select this one. You can use any other curve as well, right? Okay, see all. Delete this, use this one. This one is also looking nice. Okay, now let's change the color to this one or white color. Okay, now let's duplicate it and change color it to this one. Okay, now here we are going to upload the file that we have downloaded earlier. Okay, let's increase the size of this image as per the template size first, right? Then crop it like this and then send this backward and again backward. Okay, so our logo is ready, right? Now we are going to teach you the another kind of logo. Okay, we have added a new page, going into the elements and here just searching for frame. Okay, let's go to all, use this one frame, increase the corner rounding a little bit. Okay, rotate it, right? 60 degree we have rotated it. You can also increase the rotation to 45 degree. Okay, 45 degree works well. Why so, sir? Yeah, it works. Okay, now let me go to elements and search for blue background. Let's go to graphics and here select this one. Okay, now we are going to duplicate it and let's search for orange background. Let's place this image over here. Let's click on share, download, and only the current page done in the PNG format with transparent background we have downloaded, right? Now what you are going to do, sir, we are going to text, add a heading, write W. Let's change the font type to League Spartan. Okay, now what next, sir? I will tell you soon what we are going to do. Okay, it's done. Now we are going to upload files, upload that particular image which we have downloaded earlier. Okay, and we'll set the size as per the template size, right? Okay, now what next, sir? Now what next? Let me tell you what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this layer to backward, going to duplicate it, place it its position which was earlier, right? Send this to back, send backward, going to duplicate it. Let's duplicate this one. Okay, place it back. Make sure that your things don't change the position, right? Send this layer to back. Okay, again duplicate this, put it back to its position. So you are creating very good design. Now click on layers and backward, and your logo is almost ready. Okay, our position has been changed slightly outside, slightly inside. Control Z. Okay, it's ready. Right, now I'm going to tell you another method as well. Let's go to text. For example, let me type B. Okay, change the color of B to this, the blue. Okay, no issues, my dear friend. Let's go with the blue. Let's duplicate it, place it over here, change the template color first so that it could be much visible. Okay, now change the text color to white and send this layer backward, right? Now let's select this one, right E, and send this to back, send to back, right? And now let's change the color back to white. In this manner also you can create a good logo using Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.